What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be doing the unboxing and first impressions of the LG Phoenix Plus. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so first and foremost, let's go ahead and take a look at the specs right here. If we open this up, looks like we have Android 8.0 Oreo on here. We have up to 16 gigabytes internal memory and up to 128 gigabytes expandable. It also says we have a large 5.3-inch Vivid HD display. This is probably going to be an IPS display. We'll also have an 8 megapixel rear facing camera and a 5 megapixel front facing camera with gesture shot. And we have a long lasting 3000 milliamp battery. Let's go ahead and tear the back off right here. Go ahead and open this up. Alright guys, it looks like we have the phone on the top right here. We're going to go ahead and put that at the side. First and foremost in the box, we have a micro USB data cable. Next we have our manuals and user guide as well. We also have our wall charger right here as well. And we have our SIM card ejector. Now we have our device right here. We're going to go ahead and take off this little peel off. Alright guys, so starting off we have our headset and we have our 5 megapixel front facing camera. Our screen looks to be raised a little bit. This is probably going to be an IPS display and or TFT. Now with our button mapping, it's a little bit different. Now on the right side we have our SIM tray to put our SIM card and or SD card in. Left side of the phone we have volume up and down button. Back of the phone it looks like we have an 8 megapixel camera, a flash, and it looks like we have our power button on the back and it might double as a fingerprint sensor. Not 100% sure yet. Definitely stay tuned till the end. We have our AT&T logo on the back, and below that we have our LG logo. Also on the bottom left corner we have a speaker. Bottom of the device it looks like we have a silver trim. This is actually all around the phone. I didn't even notice that yet, but we do have a noise canceling mic. We also have our micro USB port, and we have a 3.5mm head jack. Top of the device, all we have is a noise canceling mic. But let's go ahead and turn on this device. Alright guys, so this in fact does have a fingerprint sensor, so that is really nice to have that on this phone. Keep in mind this is $100, so I think this should have a fingerprint sensor if it's that much. Alright guys, so first and foremost, screen viewing angles are actually pretty good. The other thing that I wanted to take a look at is the bloatware. So we do have some AT&T bloatware on here, as you guys see CNN, DirecTV, AT&T Call Protect, My AT&T, games, and different stuff like that. Another thing that I want to keep in mind is we do have 5G capabilities on this device. As you guys see, I am connected to a 5G Wi-Fi connection, so we have 5G. We also have mobile hotspot on here. We have NFC on here as well, which is honestly pretty crazy for a $100 phone. We have DTS audio, 3D surround sound, so that's another great feature on this device. We also have comfort view and a ton of other features on this device. But yeah, as I said before, screen viewing angles are actually pretty good. The brightness isn't too amazing on this device. It doesn't get amazingly bright, but it's definitely going to work for the average person. We're going to go ahead and take a look at software right now. But so far, just taking a look at this phone, it's pretty decent for $100 for an AT&T prepaid device. But we do have Android 8.1 right here, Oreo, as you guys can see. Wow. Pretty decent stuff right here. And as you guys saw before, we do have a fingerprint sensor on this device, so that's another awesome feature. Feels really good in my hand. I love the texture on the back. Really nice texture on the back of this device. Yeah, but so far looking pretty nice. Another thing that I was kind of worried about was the speaker, so we're gonna go ahead and take a look at a video really quick and see how the speaker is, as well as the viewing angles on this device, because we do have a 720p display. And first impressions of the Zenfone 5Q from Asus. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so this is the speaker. Not the best speaker in the world. Kind of sounds tinny and stuff, but you know, you can still watch videos in 720p 60 frames per second. And we also have DTS audio, so definitely keep that in mind. If you guys are going to watch videos, I do recommend plugging in a set of headphones and definitely turning on DDS 3D surround sound, because that is honestly a game-changing thing that LG brought to all of these budget devices. But yeah, if you guys want to see the full review of this phone, definitely put it in the comments down below. I don't know if you guys really want to see the full review of this, but honestly, a really nice phone for $100. This is super nice. I got this at Best Buy. I just picked it out randomly. As you guys see, more bloatware is coming up, so that kind of sucks. It looks like we can delete this though. Let's go ahead and see if we can delete. Yeah, we can actually delete this bloatware. So that's pretty cool. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you guys are not a part of the Tech Gang already. Also hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.